How to fix WhatsApp sound problem easy and quick. I'm going to give you guys the best solution for this problem. Let's learn how to do it. So all what you need to do is to open the settings of your device. Click right now at apps option and search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and guys you will find this list. Click on storage option. Click clear cache, and after that you have to back click for stop and click now OK. Now go to Play Store or App Store and update your WhatsApp, and after updating your WhatsApp go ahead restart your device, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next tutorial.